Aloha, my name is Amiban. Today I'm gonna introduce about Waikiki Beach. The word Waikiki means sporting water, a wetland with abundant tallow paddy fields and fisher farms that once used to be along the area. Waikiki covers an area of 1.5 square miles, but in the early days in this Hawaiian island, its land area was much larger. Waikiki was home to one of the Hawaii's most historical battles in 1794, when Kamehameha first arrived in Waikiki from a large island and struck the beaches with a fleet of the canoes. Then the four fishermen founded the Honolulu as a small port village in the early 1800s. Eventually, Honolulu became an important city center as it provided a resting place for merchant ships that traded with the East and many fishing and whaling vessels in the regions. Waikiki Beach is facing major challenges. The beaches in Waikiki has been strategically eroding for the decades, shrinking by about 1 feet a year, and if they are not properly replenished or maintained, they could all disappear. Waikiki Beach erosion is not new and has been replenished with sand and rehabilitated many times since 1939. Beach erosion can occur anywhere in the world, and the specific solution is to track in sand from the elsewhere. More recently, in 2012, the state drilled the sand from about half a mile offshore and pumped it under the water back to the beach. Health officials say the level of 945 per 100 milliliters of enterococci, beyond the threshold of 130, were detected during the routine beaches monitoring at the kōshū beach in Waikiki. According to health officials, swimming at beaches with pollution in the water may cause illness, such as the gastroenteritis. The box jellyfish influx is said to be on the largest increase in at least 20 decades. One of the causes is an increase in zooplankton, which is a food source for marine animals. In fact, Hawaii sees an influx of box jellyfish every month, either to 10 days after the full moon. In addition, recent research suggests that infusion therapy is being developed to treat box jellyfish stings.
Now, if you're headed to the beach this week, heads up, the monthly jellyfish influx is here. According to ocean safety officials at Ala Wai Canal, 21 jellyfish were counted and 10 stings reported, and at Nanakuli, more than 100 were counted. Luckily, no stings there. Warning signs have been posted.
Ancient traces of historical tsunami on both Hawaii Island and the Aleutian Island in Alaska suggest that the monster earthquake at the juncture of the Pacific and the North American plates can trigger giant tsunami bigger than Tohoku size every 325 years. Tsunami could inundate the island of Oahu, washing out Waikiki Beach and flooding the island's main power plant. Fortunately, Oahu wasn't hit, but the largest ever recorded, the 8.8 magnitude earthquake in central Chile, was the largest recorded in the Pacific region in the many 50 years, generating the tsunami that struck the Hawaiian island in about 50 hours. Arriving the only minutes after the predicted, the tsunami destroyed the Hilo Bay on the island of Hawaii. The island of Hawaii was hit hard by the 35-feet wave, which destroyed or damaged more than 500 homes and businesses. 61 people died. Damage was estimated at $75 million. Mahalo for watching.